Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this savory chin chin. Welcome back guys. Here are all my ingredients. It's a very simple and easy to make baked chin chin. Here is 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of butter. Then I'll be using onions and garlic, so I'm going to wash it and grate it. So this is all that we need. No sugar. If you are not a sweet tooth like me, you will love this chin chin. It's very nice and crunchy. So let's get started. So I'm going to be mixing everything together. The 3 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'll mix that together, then grate my onions and garlic. So I'm going to add in my butter. I'll cream in the butter. So after creaming it in, I'll add in the onions and garlic, my grated onions and garlic. The onions flavor in this chin chin is just the best. Very nice, crunchy and yummy. Try it out and let me know in the comment section what you feel about it. So I'm going to be using half cup of water with 1 tablespoon, half cup and 1 tablespoon. So I'll be adding it to it bit by bit because we don't want it hard and we don't want it too soft. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please don't just watch and go. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free guys. Help your girl to grow on YouTube. Subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your support. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to unique Dijja space. So I've added the remaining 1 tablespoon to it. I'll knead it and I'm done kneading. You can see the texture, not hard, not soft. I'm going to use my rolling pin to flatten it before cutting. If you have pasta maker, you can as well use it for this. I use my rolling pin and I'll use my pizza cutter or chin chin cutter, anyone, to cut it out. You have to make it flat. It shouldn't be so high. It should be flat but not very flat because we want it crunchy. If you want it to be very long, you can cut it into 2 or into 3. It depends on what you like, but I'm going to cut this into 4. That So I cut my dough into 2 and I did the first one. This is the second one. I'll roll it out and cut it into the same shape. My vegetable oil is already on the fire. I want it to heat up before I'm done with this. And here I'm done cutting. You can see how everything comes out. It's not gumming each other, it's not strong, it's not that soft, everything is just normal. And here my vegetable oil is well hot. It's perfectly okay for frying. So I will start frying it until it's golden brown. And here I'm satisfied with the frying. I'll be packing everything out and allow it to cool and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for your support. I can't thank you enough. Please share my video with your family and friends. Help me grow on YouTube. Share, subscribe, and let me know if you have any recipe at all that you want me to create for you. Let me know in the comment section. See you all tomorrow. Bye.
Dashing through the snow in the one-horse open sleigh.